Hello everyone, welcome to Careers 360. Imagine the organization that writes your textbooks finally becoming a university itself. It's official. The National Council of Educational Research and Training, or NCERT, is on the verge of receiving deemed to be university status by the end of January 2026. This isn't just a title change, it's a massive structural shift for Indian education. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news, and let me summarize the whole news to you people over here one by one. So, why does this matter? Well, for decades, NCERT has shaped what we learn in schools, but it could never award its own degrees. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan first announced this vision in 2023 to transform it into a research-focused institution. Interestingly, if approved, NCERT joins an elite list that started back in 1958 when the Indian Institute of Science IISc became India's very first deemed university. So, what's new? Once the UGC meeting concludes this month, NCERT will gain full academic autonomy. It can now design and offer its own UG, PG, and PhD programs. It will function as a global research hub, collaborating with international universities. It will even have the power to set its own admission criteria and fee structures. Essentially, NCERT is moving from just developing curriculum to leading the academic front directly. Over here, everything has been written in this particular news article. You can just have a look. The link of this news article will be provided to you in the description box. So, dear ones, the groundwork is complete and the final decision is expected within the next 15 to 20 days. This move bridges the gap between school level learning and high-end academic research. What do you think? Would you want a degree directly from NCERT? Why not? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on this historic move.